Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
Hi guys, it's Ashvircreations from ashvircreations. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a vintage style with bicycle like theme photo manipulation with retro effect and teal and orange color grading in Photoshop. So before getting to the video, just press the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, PNGs and every kind of luge files and every kind of photo editing stuff from there. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So let's jump to the video. Open the Photoshop and open the photo which you want to get added. Now we have to click your photo in such a way that the subject or the model is sitting on the ground with any kind of pose. So now let's select the subject by using the quick selection tool and just click on the plus icon to make it selected. You can increase or decrease the size of the brush from here, or you can press the bracket key from the keyboard to increase or decrease the size of the brush. Now just roll all over the subject body to make it selected. Just press Ctrl via copy, or you can directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard to make the duplication of the selection. So here you can see we have created a duplication of the image or the model image. Now let's add some background to the photograph. So we'll go to the file, click on open, and let's browse the background. Let's open this background and let's add this background by just simply drag and drop over here. Now go to the edit, select free transform, or you can press Ctrl D from the keyboard. Now just increase the size. Here is the very important thing which you have to keep in mind, that is the cycle background of the cycle and the perspective of the image should not look unreal. So it should be properly merged or the properly placed the subject, where the position of the subject should be in the proper perspective manner so that it won't look bad or unreal. So it is very much necessary that you should keep the perspective of the image in a perfect way. Let's adjust the image. Now all you have to do is just press Ctrl on this background layer, and we want this much area as our final image. So let's just crop it by pressing the crop tool and just hit enter. So here you can see we have almost made our image of the perspective in a perfect way. Now there is something more is remaining over here, and that is we will just first of all we will just merge the edges of the subject to make it more look realistic. It is really very important to blur the edges. So let's select the blur tool from the toolbox, select the hard run brush, and just blur the edges of the image or the subject which you have cut out, so that it will actually merge with the background and it will look more realistic. If the edges are more improper, then you can just select it and just press Ctrl Enter and delete it to make it look more perfect. You should blur the edges so that it will actually merge your photograph with the background. Let's decrease the opacity or strength of the blurring. So here you can see we have almost done on one side. Now let's just do it on the other side. Also do it on the face region to make it look more realistic and natural. You have to just blur this edges so that it will actually merge with your background, and the photograph will look more realistic, like it is captured from the camera in an original background location. So here I have almost completed our process of blurring the edges. Now just all you need to do is just so here you can see we have completed the process. Now here we will fix the tone of the image on the subject layer. So just click on the adjustment layer and select curves from there, and click on the clipping mask and just click on somewhere over here and up to here, give a point over here, and just move the slider on the upside down up position. Now it is actually looking merging with the background. The blackness color is actually merging with your background. So let's select the brush tool and just paint it. So here now let's just merge over the layers. First of all, we'll just select the burn tool and just burn on this edges of the hairs to make it look more realistic and natural. Now just we will add some loops on the image. So just go to the color lookup and let's add any of the loot file. Let's select this loot file. Now here we have selected this loot file, and just go to the hue and saturation and just click on the red color and move it to +3. And just decrease some opacity, saturation sorry, to -20. Increase some lightness, change it to -2. Now click on the cyan color and just make it to teal color. So here you can see we have almost achieved our teal and gold color look on the image. So here you can see the before and after effect. Now if you still want to adjust, you can adjust it later. Now the next thing would be to we'll add some kind of blackness on the background. So let's just add the solid color from there. Select the solid color and select the black color from there, and just select the brush tool and just paint somewhere over here. Just erase this much portion from the image. And decrease the opacity so that you can see that your photograph is actually merging with the background, which is actually giving your photo a very awesome natural look. So here you can see your photograph is looking way more better. So here still you can just play with the opacity and brush to give it more enhanced look. You can just play with the image. Here you can see we have edited the image in a perfect way. So now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. And here you can see the before and after image. It is really looking very cinematic, and it is really looking giving your photograph a very vintage retro look. And I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you enjoyed, then just hit the like button on this video so that it will motivate me to make more videos for you guys. And if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, then do subscribe and hit the notification icon to get latest updates. And don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download new backgrounds, camera preset, lightroom preset, LUTs and every kind of photo editing stuff. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. Well guys, thank you for watching and bye till the next video.